The textile and fashion industry is undergoing digital transformation. Especially, sewing factories are in urgent need of smart system transition to maximize productivity and minimize defects. Nonetheless, the transition to smart systems in sewing factories are not been successfully accomplished yet. Only some automation of individual processes has been applied, but the overall sewing factory production is struggling with digital transformation and management innovation. Sewing line balancing is an essential factor to improve productivity. Manually measuring the output of each sewing machine and identifying the bottleneck process can take more than 90 minutes. Furthermore, verifying the effectiveness of the applied solution also requires an additional 90 minutes. To address these challenges, we confidently recommend Factory Web, a smart factory system that identifies problems in a production process in real time and provides immediate implementation of right solutions. Factory Web is applicable not only for mass production, but also for high-mix, low-volume apparel production. And advantages of the system are the following. 1. Low cost. By combining cutting-edge IT with appropriate technology, the system can be installed at a minimal cost. 2. Convenience. Factory Web can be operational within hours without any training and can be installed without the interfering production process. 3. Compatibility. Factory Web can be adapted for any type of production item, any type of sewing machine, and any size of production volume. 4. Extensibility. The system is expandable to and-on system and other monitoring systems, including temperature and humidity. It is also agile enough for easy customization and integration with ERP systems and MES. Using high technology, the initial introduction cost has been minimized, and after introduction, the effect of increasing sewing productivity by more than 15% can be achieved. Therefore, from the ROI perspective, investment recovery is possible within at least 5 months after system installation. In addition, real-time quality data can be used to achieve a quality improvement effect of 20% or more. Digital transformation for sewing factories is not difficult. It starts with real-time decision-making using real-time data collection and production monitoring. Sewing Factory's collaborative smart shop floor management system. Welcome to Industry 4.0 Factory Web.